cracking logs, sizzling food, the campfire brings people together. It's more than just cooking, it's an experience. Imagine this: stars above, stories shared, the warmth of the fire on your face, pure magic, right? Campfire cooking is about simplicity. It's about enjoying good food with good company. So let's get cooking. When you're out in the wild, you need energy. Campfire meals should be hearty and filling. Think one-pot wonders and easy-to-cook ingredients. Beans, rice, potatoes, these are your best friends. They're simple, nutritious, and perfect for the campfire. Remember, less is more when it comes to campfire cooking. Keep it simple, keep it delicious. Let's talk about classic campfire recipes. You can't go wrong with foil packs. Just toss in your protein, veggies, and seasoning. Seal it up and let the fire do its magic. Another classic campfire stew. It's a crowd pleaser. Throw in some meat, potatoes, carrots, and let it simmer. Simmer das to a sinardu perfection. The aroma alone is enough to make your mouth water. And of course, no campfire experience is complete without s'mores, graham crackers, chocolate, and toasted marshmallows, a timeless treat. Here are a few tips from seasoned scouts. Always bring extra firewood. You'll need it to keep that fire going strong. A sturdy cast iron skillet is a must-have for campfire cooking. Don't forget your oven mitts. Safety first. Be patient. Campfire cooking takes time. So, there you have it. Campfire cooking is all about simplicity, good food, and great company. Now go out there and create some memories.